Welcome to another edition of Zacks Rank Buy. I am Brian Bolin, and I am the aggressive growth stock strategist here at Zacks Investment Research. And I got two more stocks for your aggressive growth radar screen. So let's get right to them, shall we? All right, the first one is International Money Express, and the name is right up here on your screen, International Money Express. It's IMXI for the ticker. It's a Zacks Rank number one strong buy. A for value, A for growth, A for momentum, PGA score, value, growth, and momentum. A. That's great to see. I never get A's on my report card. All right, looks like a recent beat here. Looks like the market was fearing something and sent it down, beat, and now today we're seeing up 2%, and that's good on a down day. If you didn't know, today is March the 5th. Markets are a little bit soft today. I see the Dow down 310 points right now. All right, let's jump to the figures that we normally see. This is a money exchange sort of idea. Bitcoin is a great way to exchange money. We got two misses, we got two beats, but we're profitable, and we're reporting 50 cents for the last three quarters. That's pretty good to me, but things might be turning around. Let's take a look at why this is a Zacks rank number one. And the first thing we do is we see earnings estimates. This arrow is actually going to go the wrong way. Coming in 2 cents lighter than before, but this arrow is going up 55 cents to 58, 211 to 222. That arrow is going good. We don't even have any estimates next year, so it's coming. They're coming. Those estimates are coming. Trust me, they're coming. All right, what's growth like on this, Brian? That's what I would ask immediately. 5% is looking for the top line growth for this year. I would say next year we're going to get to double digits, 10%. That's my early out of the chute, off the back of nothing calculation. I just think that the transfer of money is becoming an important idea. All right, so where are we trading? We're trading at 9 times forward earnings. That's great. Great to see, especially when we reported 11% top line growth. That's where I got my 10% double digit idea. We're trading at 4.6 times book, asset slim, I would imagine, but only 1 time sales. So just the value of our sales is all our company is worth. Margin used to be better at 10.6, then came into 9.7, and now they're back up to 9.8. So as margins go, so will this stock. Let's take a look at the chart here. Interesting thing. All right, we are going to die in the pandemic. We're not going to die. QE is helping us. This should be the tech downturn of 2022, but you can see the stock remains solid. Then a recent miss caused some vibration in the chart here. And now we're back to here. Estimates, we don't have 25 estimates, but the estimates, if we follow the estimates, decent growth there. I'm going to say it's looking okay. We got an A for growth. Stock should start growing again. All right, it's IMXI. That's the ticker for International Money Express, to express your money overseas. All right, next one up is Ralph Lauren, and this is why we do these videos. Ralph Lauren, you wouldn't expect this to be an aggressive growth name. I didn't, but it came up on the chart because it's a Zacks rank number one, strong buy. A for growth, A for momentum, C for value. That's what I like to see. And if I look at this chart, I like the looks of things right there. We all know Ralph Lauren is in fashion and apparel, textiles, clothing, that sort of stuff. Maybe some more. It's got a big market cap, pays a nice $3 dividend. That's a 1.68% on the yield. All right. Why do we like Ralph Lauren, and why is it here? Well, we've got beats of the plenty, 4 straight. We're earning a lot of cash. Look at that. That is a big time $4 earnings. That's great. $2, not even $1. So in the course of a year, we went from not even $1 to $4. That is great earnings. I don't know why these value players don't like this name. All right. Here's our telltale sign, $1.50 up to $1.63, $2.48 up to $2.71, $9.43 up to $10.23, $10.45 up to $11.20. Every number moving higher. Love to see it. It's great. We got some growth. You know, Ralph Lauren's a big company. It's been around for a while. I wouldn't expect it to be, a terrible grower, but obviously things are going to be moving up higher. So this year we're looking at 2.7% growth. Next year, 4.2%, $6 billion in sales. We're going to stay just underneath $7 billion next year. Let's take a look at our chart. Why are things heating? Or no, we're not looking at a chart yet. We're looking at valuation. 17 times earnings, right around the market multiple. 4 times price to book. Value players don't like that. It's a little rich for them. 1.7 times sales. We're growing at a 5.5% clip. That's what we like to see. Margins kicking around a little bit, but 9.3 to 9, then to 9.6. So I'm going to put the up arrow there. I like to see it. That's good. All right, finally, let's take a look at the chart here, and we can see this. We could have died in the pandemic, but we didn't. We came back in. This isn't a tech stock, so we shouldn't worry about that. And all of a sudden, we're starting off to the races here. This stock is headed higher. Suddenly, there's a lot of interest in Ralph Lauren. I'm not a fashion mogul, as you can tell from any of my videos. I wear the same clothes all the time. But here we are at $181 a share, rank 1, growth and momentum's A, values are C. I think it's all looking good. All right, that's it for this week. Be sure to join us next time when we look at 2 more stocks for your aggressive growth radar screen. But until then, why don't you go to Zacks.com/promo to check out all of our latest promotions.